Okay, in this video I'm trying to show you an example of a problem that a lot of students have trouble with, and that's where you're asked to find the volume of a right trapezoidal cylinder. I'm not going to try and draw a right trapezoidal cylinder on the board. You can get a better diagram whenever you look at it in your software. Now, but the problem is determine the volume of a right trapezoidal cylinder whose bases are capital B is 13, little b is 9, H is 5, and our length is 18 meters. So a trapezoid is basically a figure that looks something like this. We call the big base or the longer base capital B. We call the smaller base or small b. And then the height is going to be from base 1 to base 2. And sometimes you'll call these called base 1, base 2. Now, the area of a trapezoid is given by this formula. A is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the bases times the height. And the derivation of that is really kind of interesting, and if I had more time I would do that for you, but we're a little bit short of time, and y'all probably just care about what the formula is right now. So this is, if you can imagine, another trapezoid just like this one that is 18 meters out, coming out at you straight out of the board. So what we're asked to do here is basically find the volume of a simple geometric object. When I say that, what I mean is you can find the volume by taking the area of the base times the height. Now, so the volume of a right trapezoidal cylinder, and this is a formula I would give you. I'd also give you the formula for the area of a trapezoid, but I don't do a whole lot with those. But the volume is going to be the area of the base, 1/2, times the sum of your big base plus your little base, times your height, times the length, L. So this problem is really pretty simple. Once you know that formula, you just plug and chug. 1/2 comes down, our big B was 13, our little b was 9, our height was 5, and our length was 18. Then get your $100 calculator out, multiply all that junk in, and you should come up with 990 cubic meters. Now, one thing, in the software, whenever you get problems like this, they automatically put a little, whatever your units happen to be, at the end. You're not going to have that on exams and quizzes, so make sure you put the units on your answers. Get in the habit of doing that when you're doing your homework and also when you're taking your quizzes. All right, good luck. The next video, we're going to look at the volume of that spear thing. All right, good luck. Go do some math.